To this video. In this video, I am going to discuss some problems concerning to inequalities in triangle. Very first question, prove that the difference between any two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. Given ABC is a triangle, prove that AC minus AB less than BC, BC minus AC less than AB, and BC minus AB less than AC. Construction, take a point D on AB, AC, take a point D on AC such that AD equals to AB and join PD. Proof, in triangle AVD, AB equals to AD, so angle 1 equals to angle 2. And exterior angle 4 equals to angle 3 plus 1. In place of 1 we can write 2, so angle 4 equals to 3 plus 2 or angle 4 greater than 2. Equation first. Similarly in triangle VCD, exterior angle 2 equals to 5 plus 6 or angle 2 greater than 5. By using equation 1 and 2 we can write 4 greater than 2 and 2 greater than 5, so angle 4 greater than 5. So in triangle VCD, observe here 4 greater than 5, opposite angle of 4, that is BC greater than CD. Again we observe from figure CD equals to AC minus AD. In place of AD we write AB. So finally we can write AC minus AB less than BC. Similarly, we can write BC minus AC less than AB and BC minus AB less than AC. Prove that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the twice of the median drawn to the third side. In figure, ABC is a triangle, AD is its median. We have to prove that AB plus AC greater than 2AD. Construction, AD is produced to E such that AD equals to D. AD is produced to E such that AD equals to D and EC is joint. Proof, in triangle AVD and triangle ECD, AVD and ECD, as we observe VD equals to CD, AD equals to DE from construction, and angle 1 equals to angle 2, vertically opposite angle. So both the triangle AVD congruent triangle ECD by using congruence rule SAS. So AB equals to CE, equation 1 using CPCT. Now in triangle ACE, the sum of two sides, that is AC plus CE greater than AE. Now using equation 1, in place of CE we can write AB, and in place of AE we can write 2AD. Now the next question, so that the sum of three altitudes of a triangle is less than the sum of three sides of a triangle. Given ABC is a triangle, draw AM perpendicular BC, VN perpendicular AC and CL perpendicular AD. We have to prove that AB plus BC plus AC greater than AM plus BN plus CL. Now in triangle AMC, angle B, angle M equals to 90 degrees, so angle must be greater than C. Opposite side of M, that is AC greater than AM. Equation 1. Similarly, we can write AB greater than BN and BC greater than CL. By adding equation 1, 2 and 3, we get AB plus BC plus CA greater than AM plus VN plus CL. In the given figure, ABC is a triangle and D is any point in its interior, so that VD plus CD less than AB plus BC. Construction, VD is produced to E. VD is produced to E. As in figure, prove in triangle AVE, sum of two sides, that is AB plus AE greater than B. Sum of two sides greater than the third side, or we can write AB plus AE greater than VD plus D. From figure, BD plus D equals to B. Similarly, in triangle CDE, sum of two sides, that is CE plus DE greater than CD. From equation 1 and 2, we get AB plus CE plus AE plus DE greater than BD plus DE plus CD. D cancel. Finally, we get AB plus AC greater than BD plus CD. Now, the next question, in the given figure, O is the center of the circle and XOY is a diameter. If XZ is any other chord, so that XY greater than XZ. Construction: join OZ. O is the center of the circle of the so OX equals to OY equals to OZ equals to R, radius. XY is the diameter of the given circle. So from figure, XY equals to OX plus OY, that is R plus R to R. Now in triangle XOZ, XO plus OZ greater than XZ, that is R plus R, that is 2R greater than XZ, or in 2R means diameter, therefore XY greater than XZ. Thank you. That's it.